of the gun is the one that we profess. When the clock strikes 12, there's a bullet in your chest. Ride the bass like a horse, motherfuckers, we're the best. And there's nowhere you can hide in the wild, wild west.
Once upon a time in the wild, wild west, anarchy reigned supreme, and people were losing hope in institutions, back then corrupted to the bone. There were only 4 entities left to withstand the chaos. Only these 4 to bring back the order. The good, the bad, the ugly, and the wild motherfuckers.
I got a gun in my hand and a bullet with your name. Finger on the trigger, click, clack, okay? One slug for your head, another for your chest. Bang, bang, motherfucker, it's the wild, wild west.
It's only a fucking preview. This is only a preview.